Pennsylvania Dutch potato filling. Now, I am from a long line of Pennsylvania Dutch farmers in eastern Pennsylvania, and Berks County especially is where this dish comes from. And we have it every holiday, every birthday, every Christmas, every Easter. My great-grandma made it, my grandma made it, my mom makes it, and now during the pandemic, I actually started cooking a lot, so I'm going to start making it, and it's really easy. So all you need are 2 cups of your favorite mashed potatoes. I made these from scratch. But Beautiful. It's really, really easy. And then you're just basically going to jack up these mashed potatoes. So I sauteed the 3 main ingredients, which are parsley, celery, and onion. And that just goes in with the mashed potatoes. We're just going to blend that in. That just makes them so hearty and savory. And this is all just, hearty farm food. That the Pennsylvania Dutch would make with things that they had around. So we just fold that in. Then we're going to add 1 egg. I've never cracked an egg. Oh, look, I did that perfectly. We're going to fold that in. That's going to make it nice and rich and golden and beautiful. And then we just add some salt and pepper. It's about a half a teaspoon. Aren't these cute? I know you love dogs, so I busted these out.
They're so cute.
And then we mix that all together. And then here is the secret ingredient that makes it so luscious and comforting and wonderful. You take bread cubes. I use this brioche bread that's almost like croissant bread. It's super decadent.
Eggy bread. Yum. Eggy buttery bread. Yes.
And then I soak it in 1 cup milk, and the bread just soaks up all that moisture, and I just kind of push that down, and then I'm going to just add the whole thing to the potato mixture.
I can't believe I've never heard of this dish. It's amazing.
Oh,
it's
I'm
like
making
a
this
giant
for you next
potato
time.
stuffing. It's amazing.
Yeah, we never had stuffing like stovetop or anything growing up. We always had this, and of course I'd beg my mom to buy packaged stuffing like the other people, but we always ate very farm to table and very hearty, and this was a real staple for special occasions. So now you see it's all mixed up. It's super luscious. It's a little bit soupy because of all that milk, and then I'm going to put it into a greased.
Cook it out, right? Of course.
We're going to bake it out. So I put it in a greased 2-quart souffle dish, like so. And this should feed about 6 people.
Absolutely crazy. How rich and luxurious, my love.
Yeah, it's just, it's the ultimate, comfort food. And then we just, usually my mom and grandma would give it a little swirl on the top to make a nice design. And then we're gonna bake it for 30 to 40 minutes, maybe a little longer, in a 350-degree oven. This is what it looks like when it's all done.
Oh my God,
it's beautiful
gorgeous.
And golden brown, and it puffs up a little bit because of the egg and the milk in there, and it's just a light, delicious, yummy comfort moment. And thank
rich,
you.
And literally like a hug from the inside out. I love it.